So we're back at it again, and today we're at the staging of West Al's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, and I'm sure you're gonna love it, because we do. Come with us while we walk you through our tour today. Oh, and if you don't know, you have tuned into the Delpratt family. Alright, so thank you guys for stopping by. Hit the thumbs up button as you come in, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell, put the setting on. Okay, now let's get into it.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family, the Delpratt family, the Delpratt family, the Delpratt family.
Ladies and gentlemen, when you walk through the door, first thing you are greeted with is your living area. I like how wide this area is. You also have your base moldings, which I do love, right here. And we have our aluminum doors. So this unit is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it is 1,426 square foot, and the 3-bedroom is 1,984 square foot. Alright, so as you can see by the staging, you can actually seat a good size sofa or sectional in this area. Plus you still have space for your center table and walking area, and I love that. So you don't have to be walking through the living room. You're not walking through the conversation going on over here, if you understand what I'm saying. I love this lighting. I know Adrian, you like it, right?
Definitely.
Adrian loves the stuff like this.
Stunning, eh?
Yes, Adrian loves the ceilings. And I like the detail that is put into basically having this attraction.
They have this the LED lighting, tucked away behind, so it adds some intrigue to the room.
Especially if you like to host guests at your home, like this certainly sets a good tone and it's a good look. Yep. Alright, so we have windows in these units, 2 windows, and I think that's great because that means that you're going to let in out a light here, and if you're a person like me, you love natural light. Alright, now we go to the kitchen.
So what's particularly interesting for me is the fact that you have this piece of wall going around, right? It's like it gives you like a peek into the kitchen.
Okay.
So it's like a little reveal. It's an open concept with that little bit of, little elegance.
Okay.
And of course, too, you have the lighting fixture coming on here.
Yes.
Right, so you have that option.
That's a great idea as well.
Yeah, man.
Right over the counter space.
Yeah, so of course, when you're here for our meal,
yes,
you have the lighting right here.
Yes.
Yeah, man, very, very nice. Your quartz
countertop. Yes.
Yeah, man, a lot of detail, and it's very, very elegant. Yep. And the tiles on the floor, they are porcelain. Like the gray mixed with the white. This is kind of a trending tile right now. We like it.
Yeah.
Yes, and going into the kitchen. Again,
Adrian's favorite place, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So with the over 1,400 square foot that this unit offer you, you get this wide kitchen. Alright, so I mean, if you are a family and a couple of persons can come in the kitchen and be comfortable.
Yeah, so it's Christmas dinner friendly, right?
Yeah, definitely. You have your 30-inch stove can be accommodated.
Yes.
Right, and range hood. Right. These cupboards, they are soft close.
Yeah, right. That again.
Yeah, man. They are soft close. Soft close. Yes.
So you do get your cupboard space in this
and
room.
the color scheme, it matches the colors of the cupboard with the tiles and the countertop. It's a lovely theme. It's a wonderful theme. Yes. And the refrigerator here out of the way.
Yes.
Okay. Out of the way. So the design, the layout is exquisite. I really like it.
I do like the layout.
Definitely.
And again, in the kitchen, you do have your ceiling attraction.
Yeah.
You know,
my nice tree ceiling. Yeah.
with your LED lights. So through this door,
Yes.
through this door right here is where you would
Bring it to the
this
back
door
patio.
basically, yes. Brings you to the back patio.
Yep.
And when you walk through, I like right here. I like the fact that you can still have seating area right here without immediately spending money. So when you walk in, sometimes you have to spend money to put areas around the back so you can sit. But you can actually have a seating area right here, which is very nice. I like it.
Yes. They give you a very big yard space as well. These units come with 6,000 to 800 square footage, alright, of land space, right? And of course, as I said, as we said, the houses range from 1,400 to 19. Right. Yes. So, right. So now this is the wash area.
The wash area right here. So you know, I like to enclose online, so it's right on the outside, you know?
Yeah.
Out of the washroom, on the line. I do like the shelving that is given here, and I love the space as well. Space is very good. I like the fact that you get so much space for this unit. All right.
Definitely. This is lovely.
Yeah.
This is what the space looks like, entering from the back patio into the kitchen. Alright.
I love what I do like about this kitchen as well is that you get a ton load of counter space. Now, you know, when you start moving around the kitchen, counter space becomes an issue.
True.
So when you have this much counter space, you can have functional workspace, and you can have the nice area where you have a little designer stuff where you put on in your kitchen and make your kitchen look nice and all that stuff.
True.
Out of the way, even separate from your dining area. So you can always have this area clear with a nice little centerpiece right here. So when they get up in the morning and serving breakfast, you know, no hassle. You don't have to be always cleaning up a counter.
One thing I must say, developers, they did an excellent job with the finishing. The finishing is clean, right? And of course we are in an active construction site again, guys. Active construction site, but this one just done and it's looking.
It is good. It's staged.
It's great.
Yes, staging was done.
Yeah, so now on to the bedrooms.
So we have a hallway right here, and I love the idea that was given by the developer with these lighting. I love the lights that they used to stage this property. It's just great. Yeah,
I know a lot of houses, the hallway sometimes doesn't come with lighting.
Yes.
You know,
and this one does. Yeah. So this is the master. So come with me. I love the space in this master bedroom. It can easily accommodate your king size furniture, alright? So that for me is definitely a win-win, because sometimes these units can be a bit small. But this one is great. I love the fact also that you have 2 windows in this room, which means if you like to let in natural light, this will be perfect for you as well.
By the way, guys, it's raining outside.
Yes.
Right, so the lighting might be a little bit on the lower side, but no fault of the developers because they have 2 big windows here in this room. Right?
Yes. Now this is the walk-in closet right here.
Wow.
Yes.
Huge. It's big.
You do have some amount of closet organization going on here already. And of course you can put your touch to it later on.
Yeah. This looks like about 10 by 4. The size of this closet. It's quite big.
Oh, okay,
It's
yes.
very big. It's very big.
It is very nice. And you step out of the closet and you step into your bathroom suite, right? Now, in here, you have your counter space as well, and your storage spaces.
All right.
So that is great as well.
What I like is the fact that these tiles, they use the same concept, the same style of tiles on the walls.
Wow.
Right?
So the same tiles.
Well, not really the same tile, but wall tile. Yeah, but.
Well, a similar pattern, I see what you're saying, a similar pattern runs right into the shower.
Yes. And you have your shower enclosure. It's almost like a resort theme. You know, if you like you're at a hotel, definitely. Right, and your fixtures. Yes. It's nice. I like this vanity. I really like this vanity. Alright. The doors on the interior, they are
PPV?
the doors PCV. The doors on the interior, they are either PCV or aluminum.
These are PCV.
Right, this is like a PCV type, but there are some aluminum doors as well.
Yes.
Right, and they are going into the secondary bathroom.
And this bathroom will also house the living room. So when guests come over, this can be used for the guests as well.
Right, so at least you can lock off the main bathroom for yourself, you know, as the head of the household, and then this one here can be shared between the second room and the living, you know, person from the living area.
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely.
Wow.
So as we enter,
Immediately, this is what I noticed.
Yes.
Right, this towel hammer.
It was in the other
Right.
bathroom as well.
It was there as well. So if you have wet stuff and you don't want to get them mixed up, you know, you just do them like this. Alright?
Probably we should get one of those.
Yeah, definitely. And it can extend as well. It's extendable too. Alright?
Nice.
Yes. Alright.
So we see similar type of shower coming through.
Yes.
Except we have more solid tones on the wall, but we still love it. Still have your walk-in shower, and you still have counter space. You still have counter space. So even though this bathroom would be a bit small than the king size, you still have loads of space with your drawers. So that's awesome. Yes. So exiting the second bathroom, we then have the hallway, and in the hallway you have the linen closet. Now this is what caught my attention. First of all, the linen closet look nice and bossy. Normally they put one little door right here, so the little door, we call them doors, right?
Yeah, a wooden door.
Yes, a wooden door. But this linen closet look nice and bossy, and then look up top.
Wow.
Usually up top is left bare.
Yeah, and you have to improvise.
To do something with it. But I love the fact that they actually have an enclosed space up above with locks. That is great.
Yeah, man, so you're getting what you pay for.
Yes.
This is a developmental and mid-range, I'd say.
Yes.
Yeah, so you're getting what you're paying for.
Getting what you're paying for. So when you step into the linen closet, oh, it's locked out there.
That side is locked.
You can actually step in the suite. So you get a fairly good sized linen closet.
Yep.
And then from the linen closet, you can step into bedroom number 2.
Awesome.
What I do like about this is that although this is bedroom number 2, it's still a pretty big bedroom.
Could have fooled me, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Still a pretty big bedroom. So you can actually still fit a whole heap of furniture in this space. You get a good space. And you get 3 windows in this unit, in this particular room.
Yeah.
3 windows.
That's nice.
And look right here.
Sliding.
With glass.
Sliding glass doors.
Sliding glass doors. Alright?
This is really nice.
This is nice.
Wow. Wow.
And you do have your closet organizer just to start you off in this as well. So you are definitely, and you have sliding stuff up there too.
Yeah, it's cool. So you can tuck away the linens up top. Like, I'm sure everybody has a set of linens that you don't use all the time. So that's where you would put them.
Yeah.
Right? You just get a stool and you put them up, and then you don't touch them back until Christmas time again next year. Right? Yes. I really, hold on, let me show you the inside. Yes, I really like the detail that they put into this. This closet organizer.
Yes.
You know, adds a good touch.
I like the closet organizers because it really gives you a good starting point. You don't have to keep it, but it's a good place to start.
True.
At least you have something to start. Sometimes you don't get nothing.
Correct.
So you do get something.
Right. Alright, so we are here in Little London, Westmoreland.
Yes.
Alright, so we are like about 15 minutes away from Negril. Right?
Yes.
The fabulous Negril with the 9-mile stretch of beach.
And how far from Savlamar?
How far from Savlamar? That's like 10 to 15 minutes drive away. So we're like halfway between Savlamar and Negril.
Yes.
As I said, Little London, Westmoreland.
You are in between two towns that you can easily access all the amenities that you would desire. Alright?
Definitely.
So that being said, this is a good location.
Yeah man, we really like it. And the pricing, tell me what the pricing is.
So the pricing for the 2-bedroom unit is $28 million.
Right.
And the 3-bedroom unit is $35 million.
Right.
Those are all starting price, guys. So that means that those price is subject to the lot size that you will receive.
Right.
Right?
Important to note, guys, they don't list the prices in US dollars. Right, so yeah, Jamaican dollars. So I know most developments are listed in US dollar prices. So when the US dollar goes this way, the price for the development also goes this way.
Yes.
You know, so that's definitely something to, you know, think about.
What I do like about this is you're getting a good amount of space. So you're getting 6,000 to 8,000 square foot of yard space.
Yes.
All right. And that to me is great,
awesome.
Especially for the price point, and you're getting a good size home as well, right? So let us know what you think about this one.
Yeah, guys, let us know in the comments. Yeah, and thanks for watching, guys.
Remember to subscribe if you haven't already.
Yeah man, give us a like, guys. Hit the like button.
Binge watch all of our videos.
Yes.
Literally, like grab your chips, your popcorns, your juice, sit down, binge watch Delpratt.
Yeah guys.
Yeah.
Alright, peace out.